we have one instrument which is FCPO. FCPO stands for crude palm oil futures contract. It is a derivative product that can be used to speculate or hedge against changes in the price of crude palm oil, and it is traded on Bursa Malaysia. We choose FCPO because the FCPO contract complies with Sharia. Furthermore, we selected FCPO because it is one of the most actively traded crude palm oil futures contract in the world, offering participants a competitive marketplace and comparatively high liquidity. Without having a physically owned to commodity, we can profit from price changes. When palm oil prices are predicted to climb, we can profit from the price differential by purchasing a future contract at lower price and selling them later at a higher price.
What are the tasks that you do in the assignment? Prior to trading in futures, we must conduct findings, study and evaluate to ensure that we can maximize profitability and minimize losses. That they are the jobs that we must continue to perform. Examine several futures trades to see which one fit best with our investing philosophy and preferences. Create a risk management plan to safeguard our capital, which ought to incorporate determining transaction sizes and orders to stop losses. Prior to investing in options, a common approach to trading involves fundamental analysis. Typically, we use the age, the star, bernama, and the Straits Times to read and look up news or stories that might have an impact on the price. There might be any updates, whether favorable or unfavorable, about palm oil. It's stated that the price will increase the following day if good news is released and vice versa. The news we discovered through the age will consequently validate the trading choice. For example, the news article titled CPO Future Predicted to See Profit Taking was published on 30 November 2023. That we are able to trade in a long position to increase our gains because of the news. We also read a few pieces authored by professionals in future trading. Since we just stated to trading futures, reading the insight of experts will improve our expertise and skills. Will subsequently strengthen our trading confidence. We read articles written by specialists mostly about effective strategies, steps and things to do and not to do when trading futures contracts. Not to mention, we also employ technical analysis, which is the most approach most traders use. We evaluate the price, buys and signals, and also trend line using tools and technical indicators from trading views such as Heiken Average, moving average, convergent divergent, MACD, stochastic rate of change, ROC, and relative strength index, RSI, and volume.
Based on this trading journal, the factors that determine the future price that we frequently use include technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and expert opinion. Technical analysis is concerned with examining historical market data and pattern to forecast future price movement, in contrast to fundamental analysis, which is focused on the underlying worth of an asset. Based on trading view, we often use the Heiken Average chart to analyze the future price movement. In short, to determine the signal of the market whether to buy or sell, each of us need to use at least 5 technical indicators. The technical indicator that we use are moving average, MA, moving average convergent divergent, MACD, stochastic, rate of change, ROC, and relative strength index, RSI. For example, our team strongly decided to trade FCPO March 2024 in long position since the MACD indicator shows a buy signal. The MACD line crossed above the signal line. To determine the fundamental worth of an investment, it's until examining a company's financial record, relevant industry trend, economic indicator, and other data. The Star published a news that entitled MPOB expect CPO to hover around 4,000 a ton on 7 November 2023. Based on this news, we can pay attention to the past and present CPO pricing trend. Traders can grab these opportunities by examining this movement. In the next article by New Straits Times, CPO future to stay under price pressure next week amid high inventory, that was posted on 26 November 2023, suggests that high palm oil inventories in Malaysia and Indonesia will continue to exert price pressure on CPO future. It indicates a bearish outlook for CPO future due to high inventories and the expectation of a rising stock level, which may suggest a potential sell signal for trader. According to the Age Malaysia, MERC is slightly positive about palm oil until 2024, with a tone of CPO predicted to be worth between 3,700 and 4,100 that was published on 30 November. This news determined us to use a long position in our trading since they predict the price of FCPO will keep rising in that range of time. Furthermore, on 30 November 2023, The Start was published a news about CPO future to trade sideways with downside bias. Due to the unfavorable attitude of the world's market, the Bursa Malaysian Derivative Crude Palm Oil CPO future contract is predicted to trade sideways this week with a bearish bias. In trading, getting professional advice and opinion can be very helpful, but it's important to approach this process critically and take into account a variety of viewpoints. The first article that we refer to is 7 best swing trading strategy and how they work. This article explains 7 strategies that can be used and very useful for new traders like us. The article entitled Best Strategy for Our Future Trading was written by Charles Mooney on June 28, 2023. This author explained 4 strategies that can be used as a trader, which are the pullback strategies, going long, breakout trading, and spread trading.
1,225 ringgit, and the largest holding period for the trade is 19 days, and we gained for RM 1,075 ringgit. The largest profit that we got is 3,275 with the holding period of 3 days. In the future trading simulation game, we were able to obtain 5 highly profitable trades and 5 unprofitable traders after finishing the trading in a long position, and after 3 days of holding, we managed to gain a profit of RM 3,275. We also entered the same position on the same date, but we sold after 4 days of trading and managed to gain a profit of about 2,975. Furthermore, on 14 November 2023, we also entered a long position for the FCPO Mark 2024, and after 2 days, we closed the position and managed to gain a profit about 2,675. On the same date, we also entered a long position for the FCPO Jan 2024, and in 1 day, we closed the position and gained RM 2,500. The reason for all the decision we made was to enter a long position because according to the Star News, 7 November, the price of SPO was expected to increase due to the Diwali. Last but not least, the most profitable profit that we got was for the FCPO Jan 2024, which is we entered a long position on 1 November 2023 and we gained profit of 1,850 in 1 day. According to the Age Malaysia News, on 2 November, the CPO price increased due to the exchange agreement for soybean oil future settlement price.
The most unprofitable or loss trading that we got out of trading were FCPO April 2024, which is on 7 December 2023. We traded in short position at the entry price of 3,697 with only 1 day's hold, and we managed to lose 1,750 ringgit. We also entered with the opposite position on the 6th December, but we sold after 2 days of trading and we managed to lose about 50 ringgit only. Furthermore, on 4 December 2023, we also entered a long position for the FCPO March 2024 at the entry price of 3,849, and after 4 days, we closed the position and managed to lose about 1,675 ringgit. On 1 December, we entered a short position for the same FCPO, which is FCPO January 2024, with the entry price of 3,853 with only 3 hours, closed the position and lost 3,000 ringgit. The reason for all the decision we made was taking a short position in CPO could be the expectation that the rainy season will result in lower output. The idea of a short position is supported by the assumption of a decline in production which could result in unaltered stock, but it's critical to keep an eye on incoming data from the Malaysian plant on board and export patterns, since weak shipment nears and may limit the outward potential. The expectation of weaker output due to the rainy season could support a long position in crude palm oil CPO futures.
Our trading strategy has strengths and weaknesses. We have been able to trade more profitable than we initially planned due to using technical analysis. TradingView offers over 100 bull in market analysis indicator which help us decide which trader to enter and exit. We use multiple indicators such as moving average conversion divergence, stochastic rate of change and relative strength index to observe price movement. We also use fundamental analysis to predict future pricing and analyze the economic growth domestic product GDP considering factors like production, interest rate, employment and income. The analysis of trading strategy reveals several weaknesses including lack of experience, lack of understanding of trading platform and tools, and rush decision making. These weaknesses can hinder traders from limiting losses and making profitable deals. Additionally, they may be unaware of the range of analytical tools offered by the platform, making it difficult to perform basic and technical analysis. Rush decision can be influenced by overconfidence, lack of confidence in one trading strategy, and overemphasis on past failure. However, these weaknesses provide valuable knowledge and experience for future improvement, allowing traders to overcome problems in the right way. Overall, we are satisfied with our trade because we are able to earn more profit than we anticipate before the game began. We selected profitable future transactions by analyzing the trend and market instead of relying solely on luck. We have implemented everything we have learned thus far in class and have therefore exercised it in the trade. Even though we had some losses, we acknowledge that we sometimes overlook the fundamental of our trading technique. However, we learn from our mistake and strive to improve for the next trade. Conclusion: this future trading simulation was a very beneficial experience for us. Even we did not make a full profit from our transaction, we learned a lot about commodities trading from this experience. This game has taught us a lot of new facts, particularly regarding future crude palm oil (FCPO), which the Age, Malaysia, The Star, Bernama, and New Straits Times have given us a lot of information about. In fact, by playing this trading game, we were able to improve our ability to analyze the chart by utilizing the indicator that we had previously learned. Besides that, FCPO price forecasts are easy to make in the TradingView when real-time data is used. It allows us to predict upcoming signal and trend line. Furthermore, while some of the losses we incurred from this trading game were the consequence of our negligence, the losses we had have motivated us to learn more about trading in the future. To be more specific, if we had the chance to start trading or become trader in the future, we will definitely do so because it will allow us to get more experience.